Hi friends, welcome to All About Home. Today's recipe is a Chettinad Soya chunk gravy. It goes well with rice and chapati. Let's start. In a pan, add some water and bring to boil. Now add the soya chunks and boil for 5 minutes. Then turn off the stove and keep it aside. Now take a pan, add teaspoon of cumin seeds, teaspoon of peppercorn, half teaspoon fennel seeds and 4 red chilies. Dry roast it for some time. Now it's roasted. Grain these with 2 tablespoons of coconut, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add little water and grind it to a paste. Now in a pan add 4 teaspoons of oil, to that I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and add 10 shallots finely chopped. Saute it till it turns golden brown. Now I am adding 1 tomato finely chopped. Once the tomato mashed, add the grinded paste to it and fry till oil comes out. Now add little water or water needed for gravy and salt to taste. Once the masala cooks, add the boiled soya chunks to it. Now cook for some minutes till it comes together. Add some chopped coriander leaves and turn off the stove. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.